Afternoon, stone posters. Welcome back. Got Jake, myself. We just left the old Home Depot. Had to get some supplies. We're doing crafts with Jake today. New segment title. Crafts with Jake.
Yeah.
What are we doing today, Jake?
We're gonna Euro mount a deadhead.
Euro mount a deadhead. So we had to get some cleaner. We got OxyClean and borax.
Gonna go have to find some.
What else do you
peroxide,
need? Hydrogen peroxide.
Or some kind of whitener.
Some kind of whitener.
Eaten up by coyotes, but it was out on our property, so we picked it up. And
been there for a while.
Yeah, we skinned it already, but
okay.
Still some meat on it.
So the skin's off, but we'll have to boil it and get most of the meat off, power wash it, and then you dip it in a whitening solution to make the skull nice and pretty.
Nice and pretty.
But we're gonna show you how to do that today. So we'll go ahead.
I'm gonna try and show you how to do that.
Try.
There's some. Oh, I think I see a speckled bed.
Found some geese. Figured we'd stop and take a gander at them. Anything good?
Yeah, they're all Canada's.
All Canadians. Hey.
Canadian, mate.
Getting your hydrogen peroxide ready.
Yeah, should have brought one more.
Limit 2 per customer.
We got 3.
Yeah, could have got one more, yes.
These don't explode, do they?
Probably not. Nice cock, Jake.
Nice little 10-foot.
Thing's tiny.
Huh?
Thing's tiny.
I didn't shoot it.
There's Jake's favorite goat. Oh, you can't see it. Where'd it go? Oh, there he is. Lighting's bad. Oh. Pan. Ah. Ah.
Got the old airplanes taking off out here.
Heck yeah.
I don't think you have a video of this.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
OxyClean in here.
Oh, I didn't know you did that. I'm serious. I just always just boiled them in water.
Put it in there to degrease stuff, I guess.
I see. Are you about boiling?
Yeah, it's ready.
Gotta see what you're doing.
Put this little buck in here.
A little bitty button back.
Little bitty button buck. Guess one way to know when the end is when the skin splits on top of or the membrane splits on top of the skull is a good time to pull her out.
Gotcha.
We're gonna be here a while.
That's for the soap right here.
Trying to see if I know how to run this thing.
I got that pressure washer figured out.
Yeah, I'm getting it figured out. I don't know what these nozzles mean. Big one.
Ooh, it is nice and toasty in there. It's full of soap. Might have gone overboard with the OxyClean.
Whoops.
Oh well. Just get her extra clean.
I got a little better, but I just don't know. We should have freaking cut the eyes out. But I forgot.
A lot of meat on there yet.
Well, I'm not the one who cleaned it out.
Well, the top of the mouth's starting to peel off though.
Yeah. Alright. You wanna go set the water?
Yep.
Well, son of a gun!
First pull!
I didn't say so.
No, you got it. Have a booger in there?
Yeah, he's got a couple boogers. Oh,
That's a big one. Tell us what you're doing.
cleaning out all the cartilage in the nose. Gives it kind of a yellow color if it stays in there. Greasy burger. Something you're gonna want to have to do is bust out these ear canals. They hold a lot of junk in there. That it's hard to get out if you don't. That right there. Don't. bust open that natural hole that's in there. Go in there and scramble that brain in there. I don't have very good pliers today. Got my good ones. I don't know if I'll even get any of it out. Here's the final product. Turned out pretty nice. Figured I'd go ahead and show you guys the final product, but this is what I use to seal it. Basically just coat all the bone. I don't do the antlers, I don't coat the antlers and that stuff. And if you have any white on the antlers, you can use provincial stain, really light, really lightly. If you have any whitening or anything in your antlers, you can use that to color your antlers back up. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and come back for more.